two person. One is healthy, having enough immunity to control, you having enough immunity to invade the foreign organism, whose health is very good on the mark. And the another person is a sick person. That immunity is that much proper for this person. If you study both the person, the healthy person, if we check the parameter of the fluid inside his body and the parameter of the fluid inside this 6% body, if you check and compare both, the healthy person's parameter is matching to the standard one and the 6%'s parameter is variable. And after seeing that variable, the further treatment is decided by giving the medicine. And but here in yogic science, we are without medicine, we are suggesting the yoga therapy and some modified diet to control this variation so that the immunity can boost up further for the sick person up to the standard. What is those? Then what is those factors? What is the immunity? That we will see in detail today. Only immunity system we will see today. First, the diet. How the diet influence our immunity. If you study the healthy person's internal fluid, blood and urine and fecal matter, all this fluid except the stomach, the pH of that fluid is slightly alkaline nature. What is alkaline nature? We know. The neutral one is 7. It is start from 1 to 12. The neutral is 7. And below that 7 it is acidic, and above that it is alkaline. Then what is the pH of this healthy person? pH of this fluid of this healthy person. That is the blood, internal fluid and everything. That is in between 7.2 to 7.4 for healthy person. Remember this. This will very helpful to you. 7.2 to 7.4. If you maintain this pH of the body fluid and the blood, then you are healthy person. You can maintain all the parameters, and your immunity will be much in higher side. This is one higher side. This is the influence of this pH on the immunity. In case of this sick person, if you find their immunity is low down, coming down. Why? Because this pH is disturbed. The fluid and blood pH is disturbed. It is coming down towards the acidic nature. Why it is coming to the acidic nature is the major problem. In today's life, we are eating. We are not eating. We are only eating for the purpose of our tongue, not for our abdomen. Please remember. Only this 2.5 इंच का भाग उसके लिए अपन खाते हैं, पेट के लिए नहीं खाते. खाने के बाद अंदर क्या होता है गॉड नोस. लेकिन इससे होता यह है कि मैक्सिमम 70 to 80% of the food we are taking acidic food. That influence our acidity. That influence our pH. That pH is coming down to the acidic nature, and this acidic nature of this blood and this fluid makes your immunity lower, and hence you are inviting the invader from the outside. हाँ भाई आप आ जाओ. You are giving the invitation to them by your own. Then what should be your diet, that we will know. Then what should be the diet? Which are those products, which are those foods which can maintain that immunity? In Government of India, in their advisory also, they are recommended the ginger है, हल्दी है, लेमन है, विटामिन सी है, और कुछ कुछ उन्होंने बताया वेरियस काढ़ास एंड दिस. What this is? What is the nature of this product? What is the nature of this diet? What is the nature of this herbal medicine? What is the nature of this Ayurvedic kadas and this? All these are the alkaline nature. When we take inside and after metabolism of this product, they will become the alkaline. And they will change the pH of the blood at the alkaline level, and then or automatically our immunity will be boosted up. See, that's why they are recommending in everywhere. All these intellectual people are recommending you try to eat, try to drink the alkaline food, so that your pH can change from acidic to the alkaline. This is the main reason behind this. Now, what is the effect of yoga sadhana on our immunity system? It is the most important part of this. For this yoga sadhana, for boosting of this immunity, you require only one mat, nothing. No kharcha, pani, nothing. Only your 1 hour time or 1.5 hour time and one mat you require only. Now we will see. Pramod, can you show that picture?
Yeah, I'll share that picture. So
that everybody should see that picture and can understand. See, you can see the picture. This is the immunity system. It is also called a lymphatic system in the body. If you see that the red organ, that is the lymphatic organ. And if you see the connecting channel and dots, that dots are the lymphatic nodes. And this is the channel, that is the lymphatic vessel. From this lymphatic vessel, that lymphatic fluid is going. The lymphatic fluid is flowing in this. What is the function of this lymphatic system? Please remember and try to understand this first, the function of this and how it is related with your immunity system. It is the most important part. This lymphatic system is connected, this lymphatic vessel is connected with lymph organ and nodes. This lymphatic system collect the metabolic waste gases and toxins from the cells and carrying towards the blood. This is the main function. Also, another function, most important function, this fluid carries the white blood cells from the bone marrow to the blood. See, remember this, from bone marrow to the white blood, to the blood cell, to the blood. That is in circulatory system. This is the function of this immunity system. Okay. Now, only remember this only. Don't go in detail. If you want to in detail, you can ask me after that or in the another session. That I will explain you everything. Only this function is to collect the waste matter and giving to the blood circulation. This is the main system. Okay. And again, by carrying the white blood cells from this bone marrow to the blood, and blood is carrying this white blood cell to the infected part and producing our immune system higher. This only you know, so that you can understand in better way. In detail, we will go after that. This is the immune system. Okay. Now, there is another picture. Another picture. See, now this picture. This is our circulatory system. You are seeing one heart in the center, in the chest. And another, there's red lines are the arteries carrying the pure blood. And that blue lines, it is carrying the impure blood towards the heart. And the heart is pumping continuously without stoppage. It is heart continuously pumping and circulating this blood all over the body. See, what is this happening in this case? This lymphatic system is a part of this circulatory system. But what is the difference between this? This is also flowing, this is also flowing. But the speed of flow of this circulatory system is accelerated by the heart due to the pumping. Hence, it is a fast moving of this blood inside our body. But in case of this immunity system, there is no such heart. There is no such apparatus to move this system, to accelerate this system very fast. वो एकदम संत है, संत बैठी है इम्यूनिटी सिस्टम, इम्यूनिटी फ्लूइड. जब तक आप उसको एक्सेलरेट करोगे नहीं अपने मूवमेंट से, जब तक उसको आप एक्सेलरेट नहीं करोगे, जब तक आप उसको पुश नहीं करोगे, तब तक वो पुश नहीं होगी इफेक्टिवली. In somewhat, in 10% as compared to our circulatory system, it is moving, no problem. But जो रिजल्ट, जो इफेक्ट, जो एक्सेलरेशन, जो स्पीड we need at the time of the invader coming outside, at that time this system is not moving properly because this system don't have such pump of heart. वहां पे उसका कोई हार्ट नहीं है कि वो उसको वहां पे वो सब मूव करके अपना WBC और वो अपना WBC वगैरह वो प्रॉपर वे टू सप्लाई कर सके ब्लड में, और कुछ अपना जो एलिमिनेशन ऑफ दिस वेस्टेज मटेरियल कैन एलिमिनेट फ्रॉम द एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम. तो उसके लिए सॉल्यूशन क्या है? व्हाट इज द सॉल्यूशन फॉर दिस? द सॉल्यूशन ओनली वन इज आवर योग साधना. व्हाट इज इन योग साधना? There is a continuous contraction and relaxation of the muscle. Continuously pressure and release of the muscle. What is happening in this? In all our body, each and every part, it is will getting the contraction, and if you release, it is getting the relaxation. From this contraction and relaxation of this system of the yoga sadhana, this lymphatic system is moving. The lymphatic system get accelerated, and if it gets accelerated, lymphatic system get accelerated, then automatically our immune system will boost up. Our immune system will boost up. This is the effect of asana. This is the effect of asana on immunity system. Only the asana will accelerate this lymphatic vessel, lymphatic node, the function of the lymphatic system. Okay, you got what is the use of asana? Use of asana is the contraction and relaxation. Due to contraction and relaxation, which accelerated this immunity system, this lymphatic system very fast. If it is in the normal level, it is a 10% compared to the blood system. If you do asana and pranayama, you can boost up, you can accelerate the more than 60 to 70% of this system. Okay, so that you can get the effect. Now the second, what is the use of pranayama? What is the use of pranayama in this system? If even though you are taking the diet, the acidic diet, acidic oriented diet, your pH is coming down, your pH is come down. What is happened? In this case, that pH can also be maintained by our respiratory system. by doing the pranayama. How? How? What is happening? Why the pH is coming down? Because in our body, if there is a lack of oxygen, this carbon dioxide concentration is more. And this saturation of carbon dioxide will change the pH of the blood. And in our pranayam, we are getting maximum oxygen inside our body. That oxygen is going to our blood. There is a saturation of oxygen, and automatically our pH can change from acidic level to the alkaline, which is the standard. This is the effect of pranayam. There are another effects of asana, pranayam, everywhere. There is another effect. But today, for immunity purpose, only we are suggesting only this. How this asana and pranayam influence our immunity. Okay, only. There are other effects also. There are other system also. Digestive system, excretory system, nervous system, endocrine system. It is a separate system. They are also working their separate function, but working in a coordination. But this coordination also can be controlled by the asanas and pranayam and meditation. This is the another subject that we will see afterward. But this is the only, you only try to understand this immune system is boosted up by the yoga sadhana. From the yoga sadhana, that is from asana and pranayam. How it is, you also understand this thing. Now, the next part of this, how to accelerate actually practically, how to accelerate this. This is the most important. That we will see by showing you the demo. By showing the demo, we will show you. Okay. In a demo, first we will see the cleansing of our nostril, so that our respiratory tract get clean. That is the cleansing. Then our eye cleansing. Our eyes should also to be cleansed, so that our mind can be a calm and quiet, stable and steady. Our mind to steady and calm and quiet of the mind, we should do the netra should be also, because netra, the eyes, is very close indriya to our brain. Hence, we should cleanse that netra also. Third one is our vacha shuddhi. That is, in the thyroid region, there is a saptapad. There are various openings are coming here in the saptapad. That also we have to clean daily. And after that, we will do the vata mukti from the joint. There are various joints, more than 70-60 joints inside our body. And in between this joint, there is a vata, there is a air. And that we are removing this air, because this air is the main hindrance to move this lymphatic system, the lymphatic fluid. This is the main hindrance. That we have to also remove this vata, this air from this joint. Okay, this is the second one. And after removing this, after cleansing, after removing this vata, after removing this pavana, then we will go to the asanas. Then your body becomes so flexible that you can do the asana. After asana, then we will go to the pranayam session. And after pranayam session, we will go to the meditation or a yoga nidra or the relaxation. This is the system. This is the complete program of us. Then now we will start from the cleansing part. Okay, everybody ready? Okay. First, we will do one small Onkar chanting. Small Onkar chanting. Sit in any comfortable position. Sadhi Mandi also okay. We will see the next. What is Siddhasana, Padmasana? We will see. Take on your hand in Drona Mudra. Only this number. Hand is very loose. Back straight. Neck straight. Eyes slightly closed. And try to see at your forehead or at your eyebrow center. Eyebrow center. Guru Madhya. Try to see. Now, exhale completely. Inhale and chant. हाथों का घर्षण, friction of your hand, make a pyramid and put on your eyes. And open your eyes. Hurry up. Now we will start the cleansing, the natural cleansing, respiratory tract cleansing. For this respiratory tract cleansing, we have to do the Kapalabhati. Technically, okay. First you see what is the technique behind this and then do. If you do technically correct, then you will get a tremendous benefit. If you do not do technically correct, then it is the bad effects also. Okay, yes, please remember, do technically. If anybody have the blood pressure or any heart problem, they don't do initially. Slowly they can start after advice, after taking the advice. But today don't do. Okay, now see the Kapalabhati. In Kapalabhati, you have to sit only 4 asanas. One is Siddhasana, Padmasana, Vajrasana or Swastikasana. There are 4 asanas. These 4 asanas are called meditative asana. Because if you take this asana, this 4 asana, your body will automatically in a homeostatic position. It is in harmony. It is in a balanced condition. Your mind and body will already get the balance. Okay. इससे आपका बॉडी और माइंड का बैलेंस अपने आप हो जाएगा. आपको ज्यादा उसको तकलीफ देने की जरूरत नहीं. इफ यू सिट इन मेडिटेटिव पोस्चर, तो उसके लिए पहले एक सिंपल पोस्चर मैं आपको बताता हूं कैसे बैठना है. ओके, both the legs together, both the legs apart. This fold is right legs or left legs, anyone, as per your convenience. Fold and try to push at the perineum here, at the center. Try to push. The other legs keep above, ankle over ankle, ankle over ankle, ankle over ankle. Again push this behind. Okay, this is the Siddhasana. Hand in Drona Mudra. Your spine is erect. Spine erect. Don't erect this part, this back part. Don't erect. Only erect this spine part. That is. If you try to erect this part, you unnecessarily get tired. Please remember. Only erect this spine part. Okay. Now this is the position. Now we have to do the Kapalabhati. Plus पहले आप देख लीजिए, बाद में करिए. हाँ, उसके लिए पहले शुरू कैसे करनी है. पहले 3 श्वास लेने हैं. 3 श्वास, लंबे श्वास. पहले मैं लेता हूं 1 2 3 and 4th श्वास. When the श्वास is in, give the stroke. See, When my breath is in, I will start the stroke from the abdomen like this. Abdomen is giving the stroke, nothing. Okay, abdomen giving the stroke. And after 15 to 20 stroke initially, then close down your eyes, closes your eyes, and then experience the apnea stage. What is apnea stage? Your breathing rate is slow down. Your breathing rate will slow down for few seconds, and after few seconds it will again get normal. It will again get normal. In between this period is called apnea stage. That you have to experience on every stroke. On every stroke, please remember. This without experiencing, without awareness, it is not useful. Then it will become the exercise, not yoga. Please remember, this is the difference between yoga and exercise. Please, awareness should be there, consciousness should be there. Okay, now we will start. Now do everybody. Take Siddhasana, hand in Drona Mudra. I will take breathe in first, second, third, fourth. Breathe in half and start stroke. After finishing the stroke, close your eyes and experience this apnea stage. Your breathing rate comes down, slow down, and after few seconds, it will become again normal. This is also called in yoga, that is Kumbha. Hari Om. Open your eyes. This is all about our Kapalbhati. Or again, if you want to see more about this Kapalbhati, there is my one video also. You can contact Pramod. He will also share with you that video of complete technique and mechanism of Kapalbhati. Pramod can give you everything. Don't worry. Now, this is all about this respiratory cleansing. Now the next part is our eye cleansing. First, see what is eye cleansing. For eye cleansing, there is a technique of Tratak. First is Bahir Tratak with open eyes and Antar Tratak on closed eyes. But in open eyes, if you have Om, one Om or any object, but try to prefer Om. If it is not Om, try to prefer any object or imagine Om. Or imagine Om in front of you on your eyes and only thinking of Om, like this, without blinking of your eyelids. Try to see that Om. After some time with open eyes, your eyes get teared or tired. Then you close down your eyelids and try to see that Om at your eyebrow center. भ्रू मध्य में देखने की कोशिश करना है. वही ओम, वही स्ट्रक्चर, वही कलर आपको यहाँ पे देखने को मिलेगा। यदि आप कोई दूसरा ऑब्जेक्ट के ऊपर ध्यान कर रहे हैं तो वो ऑब्जेक्ट आपको यहाँ दिखने को मिलेगा एट द आईब्रो सेंटर। शुरू में नहीं मिलेगा, लेकिन आफ्टर प्रैक्टिसिंग दिस you will see 100%, you will see, you can see that object at your eyebrow center, आज्ञा चक्र यहाँ आपको दिखने को मिलेगा। Now we will do for some time, then inner awareness. Okay, now sit in Siddhasana, hand in now Jnana Mudra, hand now in Jnana Mudra. Both this angtha, this thumb and this index finger touches together. See, this index finger and thumb touches at the tip. Slightly press and keep on your knees. Eyes closed and try to hear the heartbeat there. Try to hear heartbeat there. You can hear the heartbeat. Then open your eyes. Open your eyes. Now concentrate on Om, if there, or imagine Om, or any other object, your favorite object. You can see your favorable object. Continuous. Without blinking the eyelid. After some time, your eyes get teared or tired. Then close down the eyelid slowly and try to see that object or Om at the eyebrow center. The same object. No other thing in your mind. Hari Om, inner awareness. Open your eyes. This is for the eye cleansing. अपनी आंखों की शुद्धि के लिए, ये जो बच्चों लोगों के लिए जो स्टडी करने वाले हैं उसके लिए बहुत ही अच्छा है, बहुत ही अच्छा है। जिनको कंसंट्रेट करना रहता है, जो गेम खेलते हैं, गेम खेल के उनको जहां पे फोकस करना रहता है, उनका जॉब फोकसिंग का जॉब है, कहीं भी और फोकसिंग है, उसके लिए बहुत उपयुक्त है। इट इज अ वेरी बेनिफिशियल। बहुत सारे अपने बच्चों लोग स्टडी करते हैं, जब एग्जाम में जाते हैं भूल जाते हैं, अरे मैंने स्टडी किया था, क्या हो गया, मैं तो भूल गया, मेरे को कुछ नहीं आ रहा है। वो लोगों के लिए, उनके लिए ये बहुत ही अच्छा है, बहुत ही अच्छा। Hence, before going to the study, and before going to any game, और before going to any कर्म, और आपका काम करने के पहले ये आप एक 5 मिनट के लिए, 2 मिनट के लिए, एटलीस्ट 3 मिनट्स के लिए आप कर लीजिए। देन यू सी द इफेक्ट ऑफ दिस। कितना आपको इतनी सी इससे करने से आपको कितने फायदे मिलते, ट्रिमेंडस ट्रिमेंडस। नाउ फॉर थर्ड वन, और वाचा शुद्धि के लिए, वाचा शुद्धि, व्हाट इज दैट? इन वाचा शुद्धि देयर इज ए ओंकार चैंटिंग ऑफ ओंकार एट 4 डिफरेंट लेवल। 4 अलग अलग लेवल पे करना है। सी एट 4 डिफरेंट लेवल। वो कौन सी 4 डिफरेंट लेवल है, उसके वाइब्रेशन कहां से कहां तक जाते हैं, वो अपन 1 बाय 1 देखेंगे। दैट वी विल सी 1 बाय 1। ओके, इट इज वेरी यूजफुल आल्सो। ओके, yeah, for your blood pressure, for the diabetes patient, all these diseases, it is very useful, very useful. Okay, how to do that we will see. the first chanting. First, try to see this. First, understand this. Then we will do combine. The first chanting very loudly, in a loud speech, in loudly which you can. जितना आप कर सकते हैं उतना. नंबर 1. उसका ओ और म का प्रोपोर्शन रहेगा. ओ का प्रोपोर्शन रहेगा 80%, म का रहेगा 20%. ओके. उसके वाइब्रेशन आपको मिलेगी, वाइब्रेशन, कंपन अपने नाभि और टोस के बीच में. आपको फीलिंग होगा उधर, कुछ तो भी आपको फीलिंग होगा. बिलो द नाभि, बिलो और नेवल रीजन. ओके, आपको कुछ तो भी फीलिंग होगा. ओके, हाँ, उसके कंपन होगा. Now how to do? I will show first, then you do. And in again our Jnana Mudra. This is called Jnana Mudra. Exhale out. Inhale. Feel the vibration below navel region, inner awareness. जितना आप लंबा खींच सकते हैं उतना करना है. ओके, हाँ, अभी करेंगे. Now you understand? You will get the vibration below navel region. You have to feel that after finishing. That is the most important part of this. Okay. Now everybody, now in the Jnana Mudra, exhale out. Inhale deeply and chant. Experience the vibration below navel region. After practicing, you can enjoy this. Open your eyes. Hari Om. Now, every day we are doing the practice. If you want to do, you can join our group. No problem. You can contact Pramod. He will give all these links. Every day we are doing this. Okay. Now the second chanting. Second chanting is in a middle speech. मध्यम स्तर में. ओ का प्रमाण रहेगा 50, वो का प्रमाण रहेगा 50%, म का प्रमाण रहेगा 50%. दोनों इक्वल रहेगा. और you feel the vibration between navel region to the neck region. In between this. Vibration मिलेंगे आपको navel region to the neck. ओके. इसके लिए और आवाज अपनी रहेगी मिडल स्पीच में, ज्यादा नहीं और कम भी नहीं. इट इज मिडल स्पीच. प्रमाण 50-50. ओके. नाउ वी विल डू. I will show first. Exhale. Inhale. Experience the vibration, inner awareness. Now, combine we will do now. Okay. And in Jnana Mudra, keep on your knees, spine direct. Exhale out completely. Inhale deeply. Chant. Eyes closed. Experience the vibration इनर अवेयरनेस, आंतरिक सजगता. थर्ड चैंटिंग, वेरी लो स्पीच, निचले स्तर पे. प्रमाण रहेगा, प्रोपोर्शन 20% and 80%. वो 20% more 80% long. Feel the vibration above neck region, in the neck and above. Vibration you will get in the neck or above. Okay, I will show you first. Exhale, inhale. Experience the vibration, inner awareness. Hari Om. Now we will all do. We do all. Exhale out. Inhale. Chant. Experience the vibration above neck. Inner awareness, आंतरिक सजगता. Hari Om. Now the last, fourth one is a mental chanting. Chanting in mind. There is no proportion. Vibration you feel all over the body. All over the body. You can enjoy all over the body. I will show first. Inhale, exhale. Inhale. Enjoy the vibration. Inner awareness, आंतरिक सजगता. Now we do all. Okay. Take the position, hand in Jnana Mudra. Complete exhalation from the abdomen. Complete. Inhale deeply. Chant in mind. Inner awareness. Experience the vibration. Try to experience. First day you will not get, but after practice you will get 100%. You can enjoy. No problem. With benefit. With full enthusiasm and energy. Eyes remains closed. We will do the prayer. Follow me the prayer. Hand in the Namaskar Mudra. Both the hand. Namaskar Mudra. Follow me the prayer. Omkaram Bindu Sayuktam Nityam Dhyayanti Yoginaha Kamadam Mokshadam Chaiva Omkarai Namo Namaha. Both the hands up और ओम के सामने झुकते हुए ओम के सामने झुकना है। आज की साधना ओम के सामने अपन शुरू करने जा रहे हैं। नाउ आवर साधना विल स्टार्ट। कम अप and come down to the chest, घर्षण और उसका पिरामिड, दोनों हाथों का पिरामिड और दोनों आंखों के ऊपर। दोनों हाथ नीचे और एक नजर वापस ओम की तरफ। हरि ओम। This is the first part finish of cleansing. Now the second part that will start the removal of the swata from the joint. In our body there are various joints. In that joint there is a air, there is a vata. That first we have to remove that vata and that air from the joint. And for that joint we have to do some Sushma Vyayam. Okay. For this Sushma Vyayam we will start now. Okay. My wife, Mrs. Rupali Supe, will show you that Sushma Vyayam. Okay. Now I will request Rupali Supe to take the part. Both the legs in Vishram Avastha. Ashi Prasna. Both the legs in Vishram Avastha. Now we will start from the leg joint. Now close both the legs. Now only move the finger of the legs backward and forward. Only finger. Don't. Yeah, backward and forward. Only finger. 6 times you have to do. Slowly. Now, from the toes, upward and from the toes, backward and forward. Paul, आगे पीछे करना है. आगे और पीछे slowly करना है, ज्यादा fast नहीं करना है. If you do fast, it will become exercise, not yoga. Please remember, this is the difference between yoga and exercise. Okay. Now move clockwise. Slowly. We are removing the water and air from the joint, ankle joint. Relaxing our ankle joint. Reverse. Reverse 6 times. After that, you can move whatever you wish. Now stop the action. Now our right legs. Give the support under the knee of right leg. Lift the leg and forward and backward. Try to come to the seat and then straight. Your ankle joint will get relaxed. Now lift your legs up. Now up and down. Move clockwise. Slowly. Do the action very slowly. In yoga, the action is recommended slow action, not fast. If you do fast, then it becomes exercise. You will lose your energy. And if you do action is slow, then you will get the energy. Yes. Reverse. Now reverse. Hari Om. Keep your legs on your left thigh. Now again toes. Now move the toes clockwise. See the demo. Clockwise. Slowly. Reverse. Slowly. With enjoy. Now you support under the ankle and jerking. झटक लेना है, ढीला छोड़ना है पाउल को पूरा और झटक लेना है. Yes, keep on again thigh. बस stop. Then horizontal movement. Support करो एक knees, one hand on the knees, one hand on the toes. Don't move your body, only your leg will move. Your body will not move. See, action very slow. Action very slow. Try to understand the limitations of your leg from the hip. Now keep your legs. Now pull your legs to the thigh. Pull your leg towards the thigh. Now vertical movement. Hari Om, straight your legs. Now close your eyes and enjoy the lightness there. जो अपने राइट लेग में, जो अपने दाएं पांव में जो हल्कापन आया है, उसको महसूस करना है. अवेयरनेस दैट हल्कापन. ब्यूटीफुल एक्सपीरियंस. कंपेयर टू अपना बाया पैर है, लेफ्ट लेग है, कंपैरेटिवली दाया पैर राइट लेग हल्का हो गया है. देखो आप एक्सपीरियंस करो, ये अपने आप में पता चल जाएगा कितना उपयुक्त है. नाउ आफ्टर एक्सपीरियंसिंग वी विल डू अगेन फॉर आवर लेफ्ट लेग्स. नीचे नीचे सपोर्ट लेके उठा लेना है. लेफ्ट आगे पीछे सीट की तरफ और स्ट्रेट. 3 to 4 times. Now lift the legs by giving support under the knee, up and down. Up and down. Now a clockwise movement. Move clockwise very slowly. slowly. Now anti-clockwise, ulta. Hari Om. Now keep your right leg to the left leg to the right thigh. And toes movement clockwise. Toes movement clockwise. Just we have done for the right legs. Reverse. Give support under the ankle, lift and jerking. झटक लेना है. Hari Om. Now the horizontal. One hand on knees and one hand on toes. Now horizontal movement. Only your legs will move. Don't move your body. Slowly. Slow action. Now pull your leg towards the right thigh and vertical movement. Only your legs will move. Slowly. Now keep your legs straight. Eyes remains closed and experience the lightness there. Take your mind towards your left leg also. Your both the legs become very light. वहां का हल्कापन आपको महसूस करना है. Without experiencing, there is no use. देखिए कमर के नीचे का पूरा भाग अपना हल्का हो गया है. Remember this, note down in your mind. Now the same thing we'll do for both the hands. Now close your leg together, both the hands straight. First our hand finger close and straight. Close and straight. 3 to 4 times. Slowly. Close your finger together and palm up down. Palm in and out. Close your finger, then wrist join clockwise. Ulta. Now straight your hand, palm towards the sky. Now keep on shoulder. Now elbow joint. straight, backward and forward. Slowly, elbow joint, straight. Now shoulder joint, keep the hand on the shoulder, elbow close together and move from front to back, slowly. Back to front, slowly. Hari Om. Now both the hands on the back side. In Vishranti Avastha, eyes remains closed. Now take your mind at your shoulder and both the hands. Both the hands joined or relax. Vata Mukti and air remover. We remove air. We remove Vata from that joint. And your both the hand becomes very light. वो हल्कापन आपको महसूस करना है. Enjoy that हल्कापन. कितना आनंद आता है. देखिए. और ये आनंद लेने के बाद अपन आगे जाएंगे. Now the most important part, our Merudanda is a vertebral column. Please, vertebral column from the back. It is a back vertebral column. It is the first cervical vertebra, then thoracic vertebra, after that lumbar vertebra, and then the other spine and 6 vertebra. Okay, cochlear vertebra. This is the range. This is 33 vertebra. From this thoracic vertebra to the spines up to the cochlear, that we have to now relax. Now move. From this vertebral column, there is a spinal cord going. Okay, remember, this is the spinal cord going inside the vertebral column. And from this spinal cord, there is a branches are coming from the vertebral column of nerve fiber. Nerves. It is also the blood vessel, blood, arteries and vein, where the arteries and vein are providing and transporting the blood, pure blood and impure blood from these arteries. And this nerve, they are transporting our sense to the brain. If the vertebra get jam, दोनों यदि जाम हो गए तो इसके ऊपर अपना असर पड़ता है. Your sensory and your blood supply will be hampered और वो आपके बॉडी में भी इफेक्टिव. Okay, then you will become a dumb हो जाए, आपकी एनर्जी लेवल डाउन हो जाए. इसके लिए ये वर्टिब्रल कॉलम रिलैक्स होना बहुत जरूरी है, बहुत जरूरी है. We have to relax all these vertebra from separately. Okay, how to do that? How we will do now? We will move this vertebra, twisting, and again stretching and twisting. We will do by doing one asana. Okay, now we will show first, then you do. It is called Merudanda Vakrasana. This vertebra will be stretched and move also, both. Okay, so that the inner spinal cord will get relaxed. Now, both the leg together, hand beside your body. Now, take your left leg, right leg on the thigh. Now go ahead and back from this right side. Again come and back. Okay, only two. Do only two. Only for the demo. Now change your leg. Now leg will change. Now go ahead. Now from that side, go back. This is the complete stretch and twist of your Merudanda. Complete stretch and twist. Go ahead. No problem. Okay. Now you do. Straight your legs. Now you also do. Start from the right leg. Right leg. Now. Don't put your legs. Don't put your legs under the thigh. It is only touching the thigh. Okay, remember. Note down this. Only touching the thigh and not under the thigh. Okay, now go ahead. Like this and back. And back. Yes, very good. Hari Om. Now stop. Now change your leg. Now left legs will touch your right thigh. Now go ahead. Try to touch your head on your knee and back to the ground. It's a complete twist and stretch to your vertebral column. Go ahead and back. Now straight your legs and relax. In Vishranti Avastha. Now enjoy. Now experience. Take your mind on your back. What has happened? You will feel very relaxed. If you have any backache, that will be gone. That will be removed. If there is any backache, if there is any problem of your vertebra, that will also go. No need to go to the orthopedic surgeon. Okay. Now, the next part. Now the next part. We will do the spine. For spine, close your legs together. First see. There is a Nauka Chalan. Nauka Chalan. Go ahead. Complete bend and go back. Complete back. Again forward. There is a stretch on your back and pressure on your front. See. This changing the pressure and stretch. Now there is a stretch on back and now stretch on front. And pressure on your front and pressure on your back. See, this is the changing. Stretch and back, stretch and pressure. See. Now Kachalan. Do reverse. Now reverse. Reverse. From front to back. Front to back. Yes. Now stop. Stop. Now we will do all. Please. We will do all. Start. Both the legs together. Both the hands beside your body. And go ahead towards the leg. And back. Yes. Back to the front. Now reverse. Reverse. Reverse नौका चलेगी अपनी. Reverse. Hari Om. Now relax. both the legs apart, hands behind your body, eyes closed. Take your mind in your back, at the spine. कमर की ओर अपना ध्यान दीजिए और वहां पे हल्कापन महसूस कीजिए. कुछ तो भी हो रहा है, हल्कापन आ रहा है. It is a complete pelvic girdle, spine as well as both the hips. Get relaxed, loose. Now you enjoy this halkapan. Yeah, complete pelvic girdle. Now after this, now one more is a cervical vertebra. अपने गर्दन के मनकों के लिए करना है 3 to 4 times left and right, very slowly. अपना चेहरा लेफ्ट लेना है और राइट लेना है. स्लोली करना है ये क्रिया, ज्यादा फास्ट नहीं करना है, धीरे धीरे. Three to four times left and right. Slowly. We are relaxing our cervical vertebra. Very important vertebra. Because वहां से ही अपना connection है. That is the bridge between our brain and entire body. It is the bridge between your brain and entire body. Remember. Very important part. You have to avoid spondylosis or any arthritis. Now stop. Your face will be front. Now up and down. Down and up. Your cheek will touch your chest. And your face will be parallel to the sky. See, when your face go back, it is the pressure on your back. And your face will go down, it is the stretch on your back. It's a changing. Stretch and pressure is changing. Front as well as back. Let's see this. Hari Om. Now straight your head. Now tilting. Left and right. Very slowly. Left and right. Slowly. And right. Now take your head on the center. Now touch your cheek to the chest and complete round. Complete round. The pressure going on changing. Complete round. Take 3 to 4 rounds clockwise. Now anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise. Now take your head at the center. Eyes remains closed. Take your mind at your neck. And enjoy the lightness. वहां पे जो हल्कापन आया है वो महसूस करना है. See, अपने माइंड का प्रेशर कितना कम हो गया होगा. अपने माइंड का तान तनाव स्ट्रेस कितना कम हुआ होगा. You can enjoy this. You feel very relaxed. जिनको नींद नहीं आती रात को उसको नींद आने लग जाएगी. You can avoid insomnia. जो नींद नहीं आती है रात को उनको बड़ी अच्छी तरह से नींद आने लग जाएगी. Don't worry. स्पॉन्डिलाइसिस है, अर्थराइटिस है, वो भी निकल जाएगा. वर्टिगो भी निकल जाएगा. वर्टिगो जिसको प्रॉब्लम है वो भी निकल जाएगा धीरे धीरे. बट इफ यू डू रेगुलरली, नहीं तो एक दो दिन का नहीं है ये. इफ यू डू रेगुलरली देन यू विल गेट दिस बेनिफिट. अदरवाइज नो. नहीं तो मैं 4 दिन किया 5 दिन किया डॉक्टर के मेडिसिन जैसा, ऐसा नहीं है. यार यू हैव टू फॉलो रेगुलर विदाउट फेल, देन यू विल गेट द बेनिफिट. अदरवाइज नो. ये पहले नोट डाउन कर लो. दिस इज अ डिस्क्लेमर. ओके. Now our body is ready for the asana. Now open your eyes. First, we have done the cleansing part, or remove all the nadis, open all the nadis, okay, by cleansing. Then we have remove all the vata and hair from the joint. Okay. Now our body is ready for the asana. That much flexibility we got now. Okay. Now we will start the asanas. What we have earlier discussed, how to move that immune system, how to accelerate that immune system by the asanas, that we will see now. How to move that. Okay. Now we will start asanas. Few asanas before ending the session. Okay. We will see. Now first we will do the Vajrasan. First see the Vajrasan, how to do correctly. Okay. Otherwise you will get the pain. Okay. Now both the legs together, both the hands beside your body. First right legs bend, coming to under the seat. Then left legs coming under the seat. Now see, all your teddy, the toes are outside and both the thumbs are touches together. Please. You can see this. You can see both the thumbs are touches and both the toes are apart and feet are mounting on this. Please see this. Otherwise you will get the pain in the legs. Okay. See, your back straight, neck straight. Again come. Your hand on your knees, your thigh. Your spine is erect. Your cervical vertebra also erect. Eyes remains closed and concentrate on your breathing. Continuous श्वास प्रश्वास की ओर आपको ध्यान देना है. Then you will feel the effect of your Vajrasan. How it feel? Because in the Vajrasan, what is happening? There is Vajranadi is get pressed. That will help your all abdominal organ, reproductive organ. Okay, that will improve the function of this. Number one, all the blood will saturated in the abdomen. Okay, due to this locking, all the blood is saturated in the abdomen due to this locking. Okay, and maximum blood is available for your digestive system. Please remember, maximum blood is available for your digestive system. The Vajrasan is the only asana we can do after your dinner or lunch, because whatever you can digest, and for this reason, this is the reason Because this digestive system, you will get maximum blood available to absorb the food. This is the reason. That's why we are doing Vajrasana after lunch and dinner. The only asana. Okay. Yeah. Only asana. Now, after Vajrasana. Now, one by one, you can release the Vajrasana. And again in Vishranti Avastha. Again, concentrate on your breathing. Again, concentrate on your breathing. That is a prana dharana. Enjoy the effect. आपके शरीर में जो परिणाम आया है वो जानने की कोशिश करो. वज्रासन. हरिओम. ना आपने सबको करना है कि आपने कर लिया. ओके, ठीक है. नाउ वी विल डू द योग मुद्रा. For योग मुद्रा we have to again do the vajrasana. Yes, okay. Now we will do the yoga mudra. For this yoga mudra we have to do the vajrasana. Take the vajrasana one by one. Come in the vajrasana. Now is the vajrasana. First, settle in the vajrasana. First, settle down in the vajrasana. Try to concentrate on your breathing. श्वास प्रश्वास की ओर ध्यान देना है. Now your right hand, your left hand go back. और राइट हैंड से ऊपर मनगट पकड़ना है. पीछे से मनगट पकड़ना है. नाउ टेक इन ब्रीथ इन और ब्रीथ आउट करते 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 नीचे आना है. कंप्लीट अपने वेस्ट से झुकना है नीचे. धीरे धीरे ब्रीथ छोड़ते हुए. देयर इज नो ब्रीथ इनसाइड. इन अ फाइनल स्टेज your breathing will be there. Normal breathing रखना है in final stage. और हाथ है शोल्डर लूज छोड़ देना है जमीन की तरफ. अपना मनगट छोड़ना नहीं है. ओके, मनगट को छोड़ना नहीं है. ओनली ड्रॉप योर शोल्डर. Head touches the ground. If not, you can do as per your capacity. Now come up. Now see. The pressure is on your abdomen. Now pressure is on your abdomen. All there is a lymphatic fluid is going outside. The other side. When you are in the final stage, when you are in Antima Avastha, the lymphatic fluid from the abdomen go away. Go away. When you release this mudra, then again it is coming back. Both your lymphatic fluid as well as your blood also, both. When there is a pressure, lymphatic fluid and blood going outside. When you release, it is again coming back. Changing continuously. See, this is the impact of our yoga sadhana. Now, we will do the same yoga mudra from the front side. We will do, close your finger, and keep beside your navel region. Navel region के पास में रखना. Then again breathe in, complete, and breathe out करते करते नीचे आना है. Now you are increasing the pressure. You are increasing the pressure towards the back, up to the kidney. Kidney की ओर, ovary, kidney, all reproductive system organ, all they are getting pressure. And due to this pressure, it will improve the function. It will improve the function due to this pressure. Because all your lymphatic fluid and blood will go out from that spot. It is a impure blood going outside. Now, After some time, the breathing is normal. Now again come back. धीरे धीरे श्वास लेते हुए श्वास चालू है. Now keep your hand on your thigh and now enjoy this state. Take your mind in your abdomen and feel there the lightness, because all the outside fluid, this pure fluid, lymphatic fluid and blood will again come back toward that spot. Hence you feel very energetic, enthusiastic, and accordingly, due to this movement of your lymphatic fluids and blood, you can improve your immunity. But when, if you do in a correct way, judiciously, devotional way, if you do regularly, then you can enjoy this. Okay. Okay. Now, the next asana. Pramod?
Yeah.
Can we do, now we have 10 minutes left, no?
No, 30 minutes.
30 minutes, then we will do now, we will continue, sorry. We will continue. Otherwise, I was thinking there is a question and answer. Okay. Now, the next asana, that is a Manjarasana, cat post. Cat push. First, observe what is that. Technically, you should do. First, observe. First, stand on our knees. Take one hand distance between the knees. Take your hand first. Now both the hands, right hand, right leg in one line, left hand, left leg in one line. Okay. Let's check this position and straight your hand. See, your this backbone and your cervical vertebra in one line. In one line. Now, this is the preparation for the asana. Now, your back will go down and head will up. See, it is a back bend and head up. So it looks like somebody is sitting on the back and pulling your head back. This is the feeling. See, the complete back bend of your vertebral column. Complete. Good. See this. Now this is step number 1. Now again, straight your back, your gardan, your neck. Now in second step, your back will go up and your neck will go down. See, it is a complete opposite movement. Hence, your complete vertebral column get flexible. It is completely flexible. Okay, now second stage, come down, your back straight, neck straight. Now come to again the Vajrasana. One by one, Vajrasana. Now, all of you do now, step by step. First, stand on your knees. Take a distance between to the knees of one hand. Both the legs and hand are in one line. Both the hands, see, the legs and hand in one line. One line. Your back and neck in one line. Now your back will go down and head up. See, your back down and head up. Complete bend to your back. It is somebody is sitting on your back and pulling your head back. This is the feeling. You are breathing normal. Breathing remains normal. No change. No hold. Now, again straight your back and neck. Now second step. Your back will go up. and head will down, touching the chest. Now feeling somebody is pulling your back up and pushing your head down. See, it is a complete curve from the outside. Complete pressure on the inside. See. Yes. Now again straight your back and head in one line and come to the Vajrasana. Eyes remains closed. Your inner awareness on your breathing. See the breathing pattern. See the changes happen inside your body. Where you get the pressure, where you get the stretch. Focus on that. Focusing on such point is most important in doing the asanas. Remember this. And you yourself can do this. You yourself can spot this. Where the pressure is getting, where the stretch is getting, that you yourself can note down. Okay. If you do in a proper way, if you do in technically correct, then you will put the pressure on proper organ. On a proper organ. If you do technically correct. If you do incorrect, then the pressure goes somewhere else. Then you will not get the benefit. Please remember. Hence, try to do technically correct. Okay. Okay, it is very important for doing the asana. Now, the next asana, after the cat pose, there will be a Ustrasana. This is the asana in the Vajrasana. Okay, asanas in the Vajrasana. Now Ustrasana. First see. Look. Stand on your knees. Stand on your knees. Then put your hand on your back. Now your head and back will be backside. Will go back. Now from the head, touch your toes from the hand. See the curve from the front. From the front, see the curve. And there is a pressure on your back and seat. There is a pressure on your seat and back. See this. And stretch behind. Completely. See. All your lymphatic system will move. All your blood circulatory system will move fast. Okay. Yes. Your breathing is normal. Please remember. Your breathing remains normal. Now, coming back. First, you put your hands on the back. Then come to the Vajrasana, the Purva Sthiti. And enjoy the Parinam. What happened and where happened. You have to focus on that part yourself. आपको ही फोकस करना है कहां पे आपको प्रेशर आया था, कहां पे स्ट्रेच आया था, और जब आप आसन छोड़ते हो वो टाइम पर आपको कैसा लगता है. हाउ डू यू फील आफ्टर रिमूविंग दैट posture, that you can enjoy, that you can experience. And this is the experiential science. आप मैंने कितना भी आपको बोला और आपने एक्सपीरियंस नहीं किया तो नो यूज, कोई फायदा नहीं होगा. इसके लिए आपको एक्सपीरियंस करना है. Try to experience each and every action of yoga. If you do experience, that will become yoga. Otherwise, if you do not experience these, then it will become the exercise. And then you will lose your energy and you become a tired. If you do technically, then you will get the energy and you feel enthusiastic, energetic in each and every action. Please remember. Now, next asana we will do That is the Bhushirasana. भूशिरासन के लिए पहले देख लेना है, पहले देख लेना है. फर्स्ट हाथों पे हाथ में घूमना है, बस चेक. Then keep on your front and put your head behind this your hand. Now straight your legs. Now see the pyramid. Close your legs towards the head. Maximum. See the pyramid. This is the straight line and this slope. See the pyramid. The complete fluid coming down. The complete fluid from the abdomen is coming down towards the head. The blood coming down towards the head. All the lymphatic fluids coming down towards the head. Please see. And now release. Come back. From this we can do the Sirsasana also. The next asana is Sirsasana. That I will show you. No problem. Sirsasana. Now when you release the asana, again that fluid is coming back. That fluid which goes to your head, it is coming down. That lymphatic fluid and your blood is coming down. This fluid and this lymphatic, this blood is carrying your impure blood from your brain towards the heart. Please remember. Hence you feel energetic. Please remember this. Try to understand this, the philosophy, the science behind this yoga. Don't do yoga as an exercise. Do yoga as a yoga. Don't do exercise. Okay, please remember. This is the asana. Now all of you do. All of you can do. Now, Ustrasana झालं ना? झालं नव्हतं? Now there are two asana. Now we have to do. Number one is Ustrasana now. Ustrasana we will do. All of you together. Okay. Now stand on your knees. Put your hand on the back and bend backward. Straight your hand and try to touch your toes. This is a complete bend. See, back side there is a pressure and from front side there is a stretch. You can feel that. Now come again. Keep your hand on the back and come down to the Vajrasana. Eyes remain closed. And feel the experience. Feel the effect. Focus where our pressure is and where our stretch is. Now the next asana, all we will do is the Bhushirasana that we have already seen. The Bhushirasana. Both the hand, दोनों हाथों का गुंफन आपके सामने रखना है और अपने हेड को उसके अंदर रखना है. हाथों का सिर्फ सपोर्ट रहेगा हेड को बाहर से. Now straight your legs. उधर के उधर. Now bring your legs towards your head. हेड के साथ श्वास चालू है. Your breathing is normal. It's a straight line and there is a curve. Complete, safe, beautiful asana. All your fluid, lymphatic fluid and blood coming down very fast. Going towards your head. Your head is getting pure lymphatic fluid and blood. Now come back again to the Vajrasana. Eyes remains closed and experienced. Now again the fluid is coming down. Enjoy this. Your blood from the head, which is now impure get coming down towards the heart. See the miracle. It is the miracle. Now open your eyes and one by one release your release your Vajrasana now and for few seconds relax in Vishrama Avastha. याच्यामधनं आसन करून घेऊया ना सिटिंग पोझिशन मधलं कुठलं घेऊया पर्वतासन. Now one more asana we will do, that is Parvatasana. First see how it is done. How it is done in the front side. For Parvatasana you will do something. You can do the Padmasana or Swastikasana or Siddhasana. Okay. Or in Vajrasana also there. Now we will see the first how to do the Padmasana. Padmasana के लिए first fold your right legs and keep on your left thigh. Okay. And left legs on your right thigh. This is the Padmasana. Okay. If it is not possible to you, you can take the Sadhi Mandi. It is a simple posture of Mandi. Only folding your legs. Now we have shown you the Siddhasana also. You can do the Siddhasana. No problem. Now hand in Drona Mudra. Taking in Jnana Mudra. Jnana Mudra. Now we'll start the first C. Now with the first stage. Now we'll start. Both the hands in Namaskar Mudra. Both the hands in Namaskar Mudra. Both the hands now will go up. Touch करते हुए पहले छाती को टच करेंगे, बाद में हनवटी को टच करेंगे, देन नोज को, देन कपाल को, देन ऊपर जाएंगे. दोनों अपने जो दंड है, दोनों दंड वो अपने कानों में लगेंगे. Is a complete stretch in the upside. Upside there is a complete stretch. It looks like a parvat. It looks like a hill. Okay. It looks like a mountain. Hence its name is Parvatasana. Now come down dire dire. In this case, we have to do the fast breathing. In the last posture, we have to do the fast breathing. Inhale and exhale very fast. Okay. Now coming down, hand against on your knees. Now, this, what is the benefit of this? What is the benefit of this? You can improve your breathing. You can increase your capacity of your lungs. You can increase your capacity of lungs. Because the lungs are coming up. When your hand goes up, your lungs also coming up. The distance between your nostril and lungs will be reduced. Hence your this bronchial tract is expanded. And you can get the maximum air inside. Maximum air inside and outside. Okay. This is the case. And you can improve your capacity of your lungs and your breathing. For this asthmatic patient, it is very useful for the asthmatic patient. Okay. Now we will do everybody now. Along with the now first on Namaskar Mudra. Now your hand will go up by touching your Hanavati, nose, mouth, head. Go up. Hand touches to your ear. It is a complete stretch upside. Your lungs also move up. Your breathing will get very easy. Then you can take breath fast here. Deep breathing. Fast breathing you can take. Then slowly come down your head. Slowly you come down. Slowly. One by one. जैसे आप ऊपर गए थे वैसे ही आना है नीचे. Hand will keep on your knees. Hari Om. Now, one by one, आसन को छोड़ना है, अपना पद्मासन को रिलीज करना है. Now coming to your विश्राम अवस्था.
We will, in 2 minutes, we can stop.
Okay. Now the next asan in the sitting posture. We will do. 2 minutes नहीं राहिले. नहीं, I time I don't.
Yeah.
How much time, no?
Yeah, 5 minutes, but we'll just keep last 2-3 minutes open for to
Okay,
talk.
meanwhile 3 minutes we will take the Brahma Mudra.
Yeah.
Again we will do the Brahma Mudra. Take the first C. Take Siddhasan. Siddhasan first. First C. Siddhasan. You will take the Siddhasan. Or you can take the Padmasan also. Okay. Or you can take the Swastikasana. We will learn after that. Okay. Now your back straight, neck straight. Okay. Hand in Jnana Mudra. Now, what is in a Bandha Mudra? Your face will come to your right side very slowly. Very slowly. It is a parallel to your right shoulder. Remains there for few seconds or few breath. 5 to 6 breath there. Remains there. After 5 to 6 breath, again come to the center. Slowly. Now again this your face will go to the left. First C. Again there breathe 5 to 6 times. 5 to 6 seconds you have to keep your face stable there. After 5 to 6, 7 seconds, come again at the center. Now your face will go back. The face will parallel to the sky and there is a pressure on your back. Stay there for 6 to 7 seconds or 6 to 7 breath. Then again come center and come your face on the down. Your Hanavati, your cheek touches your chest. Press there and keep 5 to 6 seconds or 7 to 8 seconds or 5 to 6 breath there. Again come up at the center and enjoy the effect and experience the effect. What has happened inside our body. Focus on that change part. अपने बॉडी में जो भी बदल होते हैं ना उसके ऊपर फोकस करना है, उसके ऊपर प्राण धारणा करनी है, उसके ऊपर ध्यान देना है. यदि आप ध्यान नहीं दोगे तो वो योगा नहीं होगा. ओके, मैं बार बार आपको ये क्यों आपको रिपीट कर रहा हूँ, तो क्या आपके दिमाग में यही रहेगा, यू आर डूइंग योगा, यू आर नॉट डूइंग द एक्सरसाइज. प्लीज रिमेंबर. नाउ ऑल ऑफ यू विल डू. टेक द Siddhasan, Padmasan, take this. All we do. One by one. Now your face will first remain in the center. आपका face center में है. Now your face will come to the right side. Right shoulder. For few seconds, 5 to 6 seconds, or 5 to 6 breath. After 5 to 6 breath, again come to the center. Stay there for a few seconds. Then go again to the left side. Slowly. Stay there for 5 to 6 seconds or 5 to 6 breathe. After 5 to 6 breathe, come back to the center. Stay there for a few seconds, 2 3 seconds. Then your face will go up parallel to the sky and head give pressure to your back. Again, stay there 5 to 6 seconds or 5 to 6 breathe, normal breathe. Again, come back and remains there 2 3 seconds. Now come down. Your face will come down and press your chest and remain there 5 to 6 seconds with 5 to 6 breathe. After 5 to 6 breathe, again come back at the center. Your eyes remains closed. Now we will do the Shanti part. The end part we will do the Shanti part. Close your hand together in Namaskar Mudra. Follow me the Shanti part. Eyes remains closed. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnam Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. दोनों हाथ ऊपर. अब अगेन ओम के सामने कमर से झुकते हुए आज की साधना ओम को समर्पित. और संकल्प करना है मेरी अधूरी जो साधना है मैं कल पूरा करने वाला हूं या करने वाली हूं और उसको रेगुलर करने वाली हूं. हर रोज मैं साधना करूंगी या करूंगा. एक संकल्प करके ऊपर आना है. दोनों हाथों को द्रोण मुद्रा में रखना है, नीचे लाके ऑन द नीज दोनों हाथ, और एक ओंकार करना है. उसके लिए एक श्वास छोड़ दीजिए, एक श्वास भर लीजिए और एक ओंकार. दोनों हाथों का घर्षण, फ्रिक्शन, और दोनों आंखों पे दीजिए और दोनों हाथ नीचे और धीरे से आंखें खोलिए और एक नजर ओम की तरफ. हरिओम हरिओम तत्सत हरिओम तत्सत हरिओम तत्सत
हरिओम तत्सत.
Now we finished part 1. Part 2 we will continue tomorrow at 5:30.
Yeah, 5:30 India time, 8 a.m. Eastern time.
Yes, yes.
8 a.m. Eastern time. And thank you,
Yes.
Rupali, especially for you, and Ganesham definitely.
Thank you.
Guys,
thank you very much.
When you guys were here in USA, we all learned from you. So I'll share one quick 1 minute experience, what I learned from Mr. and Mrs. Supe.
Okay.
We all know that there are several yoga videos or yoga postures, or on a TV also programs goes on. But what I learned from Mr. Ganesham and Mr. and Mrs. Ganesham Supe is those are physical exercise only. Those that is applicable to your external body only. That means, udaharanartha, when you use your eye, your real eye is inside. Your physical eye is just an apparatus. Your real eye is inside. If you need to get an exercise to the internal real eye, then you have to do the yoga. So people are confusing between, they think I do yoga, but they do actually the exercise, which is beneficial only 10%. So you follow the instructions, what he has been teaching, experiencing every asana after you finish it, doing it slowly and experiencing the stretch, तो दाब आणि तणाव जो आपण म्हणतो तो, आणि त्या जसं आपण कुंभक आहे, बऱ्याच वेळेला आपण, म्हणजे मी पूर्वी ज्या वेळेला कपालभाती करायचो, मला माहित नव्हतं की तो कुंभक कसा तयार होतो आणि कसा एक्सपिरियन्स करायचा असतो. So the moment I started experiencing, I can actually feel a lot of differences. And here in our group where we do every day, there are people who have significant benefit. We are experiencing significant benefits since last 3-4 months. We rigorously follow this learning, and is not enough unless you do it every day as a yoga, not as an exercise. Don't see that, oh, there are more asanas, let me do more and more asanas. These guys are doing better asanas, or those are more complex asanas. Don't fall into that trap. Otherwise, your 1 hour exercise will only remain an exercise only to an external body rather than your sukshma sharir. So here me Shiklo, I just thought I will share with you.
Yes. Very good, sir. Perfect, Pramod. Perfect.
Thanks.
Okay.
Thank you, everyone. Upon will again connect tomorrow at the same time, 8 a.m. Eastern.
Okay.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Welcome again. Thank you. Hari Om.